We had a jar with a butterfly. We opened the lid and it flew to the sky. And there are things inside my head waiting to be thought or said. Dreams and jokes and wonderings are locked inside like a butterfly jar. But then when you are here with me, I can open the lid and set them free. Good morning, my friends. Bernard's here with me again this morning to start our day. It was another sunny, beautiful day outside, and I hope you had a moment to step outside also. Let's start with our morning message. April 7th, 2020. Dear friends, today is Tuesday. It is sunny again. Yesterday we began learning about insects. How many legs does an insect have? Love, Mrs. Jones. Were you able to discover and find out how many legs an insect had yesterday? Well, a person has 2 legs, and a dog has 4 legs. An insect has 6 legs. Did you find that out yesterday? I'll bet you did. I can't imagine having 6 legs. I guess that's why I'm not an insect. All right, let's look for some snap words today. I wanted to point out to you that the word in is built right into the word insect. So when we look at the word insect, we have a helpful part right there that we know. And we can find it again in the word insect. Did you use your powers today to read the message? I'll bet you did. So we've got that word in built into the word insect. Now let's look for another word today. Let's look for the word bee. Bee is also hidden in another word today. So we're going to find the word bee as part of another word. And here it is in the word began. That leads me to thinking about our syllable work. So we're going to count the syllables in the word began. As you can see, it's one word. There's no space in the middle. Let's see how many syllables it has. Began. Began. 2 syllables. Let's look at the word insects. Let's see how many syllables that word has. Insects. Nicely done. Let's do insect. Insect. Nicely done. So we have one word, 2 syllables. One word, 2 syllables. One word, 2 syllables. We started the morning with our poem, The Butterfly Jar by Jeff Moss. That's an old favorite, and I hope once we started that you all said it along with me. So I wanted to look today at pictures of insects. I did my best to draw, but you know, as I tell you often, I'm still working on my drawing. That's something that I try to get a little bit better at every day. So we're going to now today look at our pictures. I'm going to count the syllables in the pictures. So we're going to name the insect and count the syllables. That's a butterfly. Let's see how many syllables are in the word butterfly. 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 3 syllables, 1 word. Ladybug. 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 3 syllables, 1 word. Beetle. 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 2 syllables, 1 word. Okay, that's my attempt at a dragonfly. 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 3 syllables, 1 word. Ant. ant, ant. One syllable, one word. So the purpose of us hearing the syllables first connects to what we did this morning. When we're hearing the syllables or the parts of words, it's going to help us in our reading to find the helpful parts. It's also going to help us to work out the tricky bits. So by hearing syllables and counting syllables, we can work on the easy bit if we were writing the word insect. And we could say in, and get that down smooth and fast. And then the second part, sexts, would allow us to go and stretch that second part out and put all our focus there. The same with began. We have be, and we know how to write that word, so that would go down smooth and fast. Be, and then we would work on the second part of the word began. Be, gan, gan. And that way we would work it apart. We could try to write it in parts. That's why we start first by hearing and counting the sounds. And then the hearing and counting is going to help us power up our writing.